The rise of regenerative gardening, growing food and healing the earth in 2025. In 2025, more gardeners are shifting toward regenerative gardening, a practice that goes beyond sustainability to actively improve the health of soil, ecosystems, and communities. Unlike traditional gardening, which often depletes resources over time, regenerative methods focus on renewing soil fertility, enhancing biodiversity, and capturing carbon. This growing movement is driven by increasing concerns about climate change, food security, and environmental health. Whether in rural backyards or urban rooftops, regenerative gardening is becoming a tangible way for individuals to participate in environmental repair while enjoying homegrown food. At the heart of regenerative gardening is soil health. Gardeners are moving away from synthetic fertilizers and turning toward compost, worm castings, biochar, and mycorrhizal fungi to nourish their plants naturally. Practices like no-dig gardening, mulching, and cover cropping help build rich, living soil teeming with beneficial microbes. These techniques not only produce healthier vegetables, but also increase the soil's ability to retain water and sequester carbon, making gardens more resilient to drought and extreme weather. Diversity is another core principle. Instead of planting a single crop in rows, regenerative gardeners favor polycultures, mixing vegetables, herbs, and flowers in the same bed to mimic natural ecosystems. Companion planting is being reimagined with native species and heirloom varieties that support pollinators, fix nitrogen, or deter pests. The result is a visually rich, ecologically balanced garden that reduces the need for chemical inputs and fosters habitat for wildlife, including bees, birds, and butterflies. Finally, regenerative gardening in 2025 is increasingly tied to community and food sovereignty. From shared urban plots to school-based gardens, people are growing together. Seed saving, tool libraries, and decentralized knowledge-sharing networks are empowering more individuals to take control of their food system. As grocery prices fluctuate and supply chains remain unstable, the garden has become a symbol of autonomy, climate action, and cultural resilience. This return to the soil is not just about what we harvest, but how we heal.